So welcome to the Next.js 15 Typescript RTK query role-based project overview. So here is the login and registration form. We can log in and register. This is the register page and this is the login page. So I am registering, say test name, test email address, test gmail.com. Maybe we have the test already. Test. No, we have no test. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. I'm giving a simple password, so I am logged in. I am registered. Let's see whether I have gotten the, it has the mongodb also, so let's see we have gotten the user name or not. Yeah, we got it. Now log in, test gmail.com. So it is user dashboard. So by default he is user. So if he is user, he will not see the admin access. He will not have admin access. But if his user is admin power, so this user is admin, so he can have mass privilege, admin privilege. So he has the admin privilege. He can create category, he can create tags, he can add products, he can see the products, he can run the card operation. So say I'm trying to delete these things, so I'm creating once again electronic. Okay, so it's updating instantly. So we are using RTK query. So this is the Nextjs 15 Typescript MongoDB RTK query project. So it has the admin privilege also, so role-based redirect. So we can update, say books updated update category, we can update it. Along with that we can update the text also. We can add product, we can edit products, say HTML book updated. Book, it should be book category tags. So I am updating. Let's see the product. Yeah, books updated. So I can do another thing, and I want to show you that it's role-based redirect, automatically role-based redirect. And another thing it has that, say I am logged out. So if anyone tries to go to the dashboard, say dashboard, he will be redirected. He will not able to go to the dashboard. You see, he will not able to. So if any user logged in as a normal user, say test so he is the merely a user, nothing else, not admin. He has no admin privilege, but if he tries to go to the admin, he can. You see, access denied. You are logged in, but you do not have the record level to view the page. Return to the home page. So he will not able to log into the admin page and log out. So we can do the social login, and if anyone log in by social, he has the privilege to be admin also. Admin, okay, he can be admin also. So role is admin. So we will create the functionality in the future. So he will be able to create the if he logs in bar or register by social, he can be the user or admin. So this will be exciting journey. So we can create the category, we can update, we can delete, we can create tags based on the category, we can add products, we can update products, and future we will create orders. So all the modern technologies have been used over here. So please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned. It will be a wonderful journey. And along with that, in the second tutorial, I will show you what the things we are going to cover. I mean, this will be a to J journey, Nextjs 15 A to G journey. So one-stop solution. You will understand everything regarding Nextjs to be a full stack developer, like app routes, nested routes, and everything. So thank you very much. See you soon.